covers lost wages from an auto accident?
Many times when people are involved in car accidents, they're unable to go to work because of their injuries. So who pays their bills? They need income. So where do they get the income from? Well, if they have a private disability policy, they should apply for benefits under that because that's what they paid the premium for. They should also apply under their automobile insurance policy for PIP benefits that include income continuation. Depending upon the coverage that was bought, that income could be $100 to $700 per week extra. They can also apply for state disability benefits as well. So what if somebody makes more money than what state disability or PIP pays? That's part of the claim in the final lawsuit against the defendant. That's called lost wages. That claim will be made and hopefully be paid for out of the final settlement.